Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to today's webinar. I already issued a poll. Do let me know, is this your first time with us? As we are looking at people streaming in. Let me tell you more about what we do here. We have a daily webinar where Jin will be walking you through his thoughts and ideas for very specific currency for each day. Now, Monday we'll talk about the Aussie and New Zealand. Tuesday is the Euro. Wednesday is the Pound. Thursday, Yen and Gold. And Friday, the Canadian dollar and the cryptocurrencies. Okay, so today it's a Tuesday, so Jane will be speaking about the Euro pairs as we'll be taking us through different time frame. This webinar is going to be very beneficial to both long-term investors and short-term traders. During this session, Jane will be going through what could move prices, possible trade ideas, highlight potential targets and risks. However, disclaimer, any information shared during this session is not intended to be a trade recommendation. It is solely the opinion and views of the speaker. So please remember to do your own analysis prior to entering any trades. Now, quick introductions to Forex LCMS traders and Forex Briefcase. LCMS traders is where we coach traders on how to be consistent and profitable in the Forex market. And Forex Briefcase, which is our managed account services, where the team trades an AUM of more than 13 million USD on a daily basis. Now, let me to run a second poll and let me know, how did you get to know this webinar? Okay. Let me issue the second poll here. How did you know this webinar? Do let me know. Is it Facebook Live, Telegram, Traders Club, sharing with friends? Thank you very much. But while you're doing this poll, I would like to take this opportunity to share with you more about the LCMS Traders Club. Okay. Now, you can see here at this point, talking about, I want to introduce you the LCMS Traders Club and our dedicated club platform. This is really a must-have for anyone who's serious about being profitable in trading. Now, down here, we host a community of traders sharing ideas, sharing strategies, ideas, analysis, monitoring the market together. It's really almost like a professional trading team. So you can see here the trading floor. This is where all the members and coaches here interact together. Also a market watch where we actually monitor the market and see what's happening, give you some ideas as well. Now, just to tell you more about these features available on this platform, we have here, if we click here, you can see all here. We got the economic news calendar where you can plan your trades, know what surprises could be coming up, all the news available. You also have the data flash right here. You can see here the data flash, get the news released earlier than anyone else. You can look at this one. It tends to come up a month earlier than all the free channels that you will see. And now, not only that, we have the FX heat map here where we could see what is moving, what kind of foreign currency pairs are moving, knowing immediately which foreign currency pairs you can focus on. Okay, so we're now looking at this one here. Now, not only that, everything is moderated by the coaches at LCMS Traders, and we also have live sessions twice a week. We have a coaching sessions on Monday, a coaching sessions here, and also on Wednesdays, live trading sessions. These sessions is where we can guide you through the current market conditions, and we can literally make profits together. Now, if you have joined, I seen in the poll, you have joined us from the Telegram channel, you have been receiving the trade signals late. But here in the platform, we get the signals 5 minutes earlier and learn the strategies, reasons behind the signals. So if you see here, click the signals, you can see we give here 5 minutes earlier, we sell Euro Pound, we give the signals earlier, and then the Telegram channel, we not only that, we also give the analysis behind why we take the trades. Yeah, right. And then if you take profit, we will also issue out here as well. Now, here since we started in 2014, we have helped hundreds of traders exactly like yourself, going from completely confused and unprofitable to actually understanding the Forex market, recovering losses, and finally being profitable. Now, this club membership and access to the platform is worth thousands, but for a limited time now, this is a chance for you to join at only $199 a year. The link will be pasted up in the chat group, but all you got to do is tradersclub.lcms.com.sg. scroll down all down here, and it's really a US 199 a year. It really is less than $1 a day. Now, this is without doubt the very least you can do to make sure you achieve your best in trading. This price can change anytime, so make sure you get on board right now. So those who haven't joined it, while you're clicking and joining the member LCMS Traders Club, let me now hand over to Jin for more about the Euro pairs.
All right, thanks for that, Daniel. So looking at the euro dollar today, actually, not super keen to look at the euro. I'm super uninterested in the euro dollar today, but we will go through that. For those of you who are attending right now, all 30 of you who are attending right now, I'll do things a little bit differently because I do spot some other opportunities right now. Okay, so I just want to give you a bit of a snapshot of what else I'm looking at. So, oops, not that one. Okay, so several reasons why I'm not super keen on the euro dollar. Looking at the economic calendar, today is Tuesday, 30th of March. You can see that there's not a lot. I mean, there's some news on the euro dollar. CPI numbers is not something I pay a lot of attention to for the euro. On Wednesday, we have a lot of pound GDP numbers. I'll tell you that about pound dollar tomorrow. So, euro CPI numbers again, employment numbers, not too keen. If you don't know why I'm not too interested on the CPI numbers for the Eurozone, go check out the 4-day course that we have coming up. Make sure you register for that. And then on Thursday, you can see some yen numbers, euro retail sales, Swiss franc, PMI numbers coming from the Eurozone. But your notice here is that we don't pay too much attention to the individual country PMI if you look at it as the overall Eurozone. So as much as the Italian PMI numbers could be going from 56.9 to 59.8, the French PMI numbers staying the same, the German PMI numbers staying the same. What I pay attention more is the overall Eurozone number. The overall Eurozone manufacturing PMI looking like it's going to stay at 62.4. Staying at 62.4 is going to indicate that expansionary phase in the Eurozone. I think that we might not see this number. We might see it drop a little bit, or we might see even that 62.4 number come up, but we're probably not going to see that kind of impact in terms of a strengthening euro dollar. We're not going to see the euro dollar move up significantly as what we would expect for a expansionary phase PMI number, primarily because of what's happening in Germany, where they're extending their lockdown periods just to temper down the effects of the virus at this point in time. And then on Friday, we have the whole Good Friday break. So a lot of traders will probably not be trading, not a lot of trades being entered. This is also another reason why we're probably going to see less volatility, less liquidity around on the Thursday news. A lot of times traders don't want to enter trades, on Thursday, and then knowing that Friday is going to be a Good Friday, and then you have Saturday, Sunday, and then on Monday, some of them are off as well for Easter Monday. So this becomes a very long weekend. Apart from the normal usual short weekend of 2 days, this is going to be 3 to possibly even 4 days. So traders tend to sit out, wait, and then after that, look into next week before they get into positions. So because of all that put together, looking at the charts, you can see that the euro dollar is broken. It looks like it's broken that 1.18 level. Okay, this is 1.18 here. It's still in that 32 pip range of 1.18. So I'll call it that support zone. I'll move this down a little bit so it's easier to see in that whole support area at this point. What's likely to happen? What's likely to happen is possibly going to sit at this level. It probably will sit at this level, not breaking significantly lower or bouncing off higher, because there's no real new news or no real data pushing it any much higher or lower, unless we do have some surprises come around from the US side in terms of their data coming around. But looking at the US news and US numbers, doesn't look like it's going to be a big surprise. If anything, just a small push lower. And also, if I went to the daily time frame, you can see that at this point was where it bounced off in 2020 November 2020. It came down to this 1.18 level, and then we saw it bounce up towards that 1.2336 resistance level. So I think that we might see some bounce back up, some consolidation before a bounce back up for the euro dollar. So back to the H4 time frame, I think that we might see it sit across before possibly some bounce back up. So because of that, you can see that I'm not super keen on the euro dollar. But looking at the euro pound, if the euro dollar does sit across and we do see some upside coming from the pound dollar, we could see the euro pound retrace back down that 30 pips towards yesterday's low point. This could be a very quick short-term trade for you with a stop loss, a very tight stop loss of maybe 15 pips for a very quick profit about 30 pips. You could be looking at a very easy, in inverted commas, easy 1:2 risk reward ratio. But, you know, as I said, I'm not super keen on the euro dollar or a bit of the euro crosses at this point. My main focus today, just to give you a bit of a snapshot, a bit of an insight, main focus today will actually be the yen pairs. Traders Club members, we spoke about this last night. I was telling you with the US yen, if it broke above, so you guys got a heads up already. In our Monday night calls, you guys got a heads up. If it does break above this 110 resistance level, we could see significant upside for the US yen. So look forward to that one. And then also the pound yen bouncing off this 150.90 support level, possibly heading for further upside back towards the 152.26 resistance level. So my focus probably for today, tomorrow, will be the yen pairs, not so much the euro dollar, not so much the pound dollar either. All right, so very short and sharp, just wanted to say, you know, not so, don't, or as much as we talk about the euro dollar, it's not all about that. Today probably might be more of the, next couple of days might be more of the yen pairs. Just wanted to give you another heads up for all of you here, is that we're gonna change the format of this currency call. It's not gonna be like this. On the 1st of April, and this is not an April Fool's Day joke, okay? I know it's gonna be on the 1st of April. It's not April Fool's joke. We are changing the format of this currency call. We're making it more comprehensive. We're giving you a lot more information. We're going to be talking a lot more about the markets and about different things. So make sure you turn up. It is still going to be completely free. The best part of it is going to be completely free, but we're just changing things around just so that I keep being entertained and I keep doing this currency call. So make sure you stay tuned, make sure you turn up on, especially on the 1st of April onwards, and help us share, tell everyone, get more people on board. With that said, I will pass it back to Daniel.
Okay, thanks, Gene, for the analysis on the euro market and a possible loss of movements in the yen. I'm going to launch a poll right now. Just let us know what you thought of these sessions today, right? So for those who are new here, a recording of this video will be uploaded in the LCMS Traders YouTube channel. So thank you for joining these sessions today. So tomorrow, it's Wednesday. So Wednesday, we'll be talking about the pound pair. So stay tuned. Same time tomorrow. I'll catch you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.